Are you tired of spending hours manually typing out complicated medical insurance forms? What if you could finish a 2-hour data entry task in just 10 minutes with zero errors and zero risk? Hello and welcome to Intelligent Data Services. Today we are thrilled to show you a live demo of our most requested software, the medical insurance form filling Autotyper. If you do medical data entry, this is going to change the way you work forever. We all know the struggle. Medical insurance projects require you to enter patient records and claim details manually into strict web portals. Copy pasting is completely blocked, and typing it all out takes hours of your day. That's exactly why we built this Autotyper. It takes your extracted text and types it directly into the portal for you, perfectly mimicking human keystrokes. It is incredibly easy to use. Import your text file into our software. Set up your field delays and tab spaces to perfectly match your specific insurance form. Place your cursor in the first box, click Start, and sit back. The Autotyper handles the rest, smoothly jumping from box to box. Now you might be wondering, is this safe? Yes. Most standard autofillers use bulk pasting, which client portals instantly detect and ban. Our IDS Autotyper uses advanced human AI emulation. It types letter by letter with natural, variable human speed. It is 100% undetectable and works directly on the official client portals. Hence, there is no risk of cracked third-party software. In this business, time is money. A stack of claims that usually takes you 2 hours can now be completed in under 10 minutes. Eliminate typing fatigue, save up to 90% of your time, take on more projects, and multiply your income. Why work harder when you can work smarter? Enjoy the rest of the demo. If you're ready to speed up your work and boost your earnings, call or WhatsApp us right now at 8767325106. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Intelligent Data Services for more updates, and check the description below to get your copy today.
Yeah, Justin Diamond, Alvin, let's go. Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Skybri, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartier's, and the bitch deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Never gotta block these hoes, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybri, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybri, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybri, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybri, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Shorty a dancer with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a land truck, don't need no man, but I'll man up for that, ooh. Put it on camera, she a freak, nothing I can't handle. When I'm pulling up in that phantom, I got a pussy wetter than Niagara. Bitch, I'm a dog, I'm with the leash. Ain't no one holding me back, I'm a beast. Showing them all, fucking my teeth. None of them fucking with me in these streets, ooh. Skybri hit me in my DMs. I've been trying to meet up and see ya. I can